All right, guys, we're back again. This whole thing about Natasha is still ongoing. It's still ongoing. As you all know, that is my duty right here to make sure that I do my part to give you an update as they come to us. Yes, Symply Tacha don't come out now. Can't speak concerning this matter when concern Natasha. So, in fact, Symply Tacha now don't attack Nigerians as a whole. He has attacked Nigerians that we all are docile. We don't do anything. Not the way we do. We don't react to anything. Then she also went on attacking Nigerian women. But because by now Nigerian women supposed to have occupied the streets because of the suppression, oppression that is currently affecting Senator Natasha. What do I know? I'd like you guys to listen to what Symply Tacha have to say. You all supposed to know who is Symply Tacha. Symply Tacha is one of those girls who went to Big Brother house. I think that was about 4 years ago, if I'm not mistaken. And she did excellently well. She got popularity from that house at that particular time. She came out now. She has a voice. She's speaking truth to power. Listen to her.
You know, I think we can all agree that Nigerians are not very serious people. This is what the political class understands, and that's why they can do anything and get away with it, because they know and understand that Nigerians are not very serious people. You guys don't understand the gravity of what just happened. If Senator Natasha is lying, do you understand the gravity of that? Simply means women can wake up and accuse anybody of sexual harassment, accuse any man of rape, and get away with it. It also means that men can rape, sexually harass women, and absolutely nothing will be done. That's how bad the situation is. And yet, people are just there dancing around the whole issue. This is exactly the time where we have to take the bull by its horn. Do you know what this year's International Women's Day team is? March forward for all women and girls. Why are Nigerian women not marching? Why are we all not marching? Those so-called confused individuals that call themselves Nigerian feminists, their voices is nowhere to be heard. Bunch of jokers. If it's to defend sex workers parading themselves as influencers, which I have no problem with, your titties will stand. On our titties will stand. Your voices will be heard. We will hear from you people. We go hear from Ona. We go hear Ona. You will be as loud as fuck. You're only a feminist when it benefits you. Both women and men are supposed to be at the Senate complex asking questions. To the extent that the president feels this. Do y'all understand we have 109 senators in Nigeria, and out of 109, only 4. 105 is all men. Women are not properly represented across board. We have never had a female governor. This is how disenfranchised women are. Women are always given the backseat. This is a woman that more than 100,000 people gave their votes to, gave their voices to, for her to speak on their behalf. And she's facing 6 months suspension. Oh my God, no. When 1 out of 4 female senators is making an allegation like this, it should not be swept under the carpet, and it should not be treated lightly at all, because we should see this as women being silenced. And if she is telling a lie, she should be dealt with, and dealt with properly. The number 3 citizen of Nigeria is being dragged for something that could be a lie or could be true. This needs to be cleared. It's too important of a man for a story like this to pop up and we don't get to the end of it. And if she isn't telling a lie, whoever she's accusing should be dealt with, and dealt with properly. Nigerians, I don't know what is really wrong with us people. Where did we get it wrong in this 2025? Where? If a woman of that level is struggling to get justice, struggling to be heard, then who am I? What is the fate of that average 18-year-old girl in Ibadan? Of that average 18-year-old girl in Delta State? Of that average 26-year-old girl in Sokoto? This is how we plan to stand for women. This is how we plan to do it in 2025? Nah, disappointing to say the least.
Listen, guys. This is how it's supposed to be in a country that works. Ever since this situation has been happening in the house, at the Senate house, Nigerians are supposed to have come out to occupy the streets. But as we speak, some of us, fine, we are echoing the old thing on social media. But what happened to the streets? A lot of us think that, oh, it's none of my business, so I don't care. While I saw a comment the other day on a comment section where people are saying this one a fight of billionaires and billionaires, this one a politicians fight. Just imagine somebody representing a constituency. She have this constituency that she's representing. Nigerians supposed to come out as a whole to speak against this injustice. What do I know? I'm just doing my part. What do I know? I'm just doing my part. Thank you very much, guys. Press on the like button, help us to share. This is NAIJA Watch Media. Talk to you guys later. Take care and bye for now.